So who is Kusuma?
Uh, I'm Kusma from Kolar, Karnataka. I'm a computer science engineer graduate and have got few opportunities, and one among those is Techmahindra.
Sure, super. So today's session will be totally focused on your Techmahindra's preparation and also its hiring procedure. So over to you, Kusuma. You just enlighten us with your preparation and how was the hiring procedure. Over to you.
Yeah, like I got to know about this company through our campus guidance cell.
Okay.
Yeah, like then we got to know about that company. We researched about it.
Okay.
It is a multinational company. It is actually Indian
Mm.
multinational company,
Okay.
and so there will be 5 rounds.
Okay.
First one is aptitude, second one is technical, and
Okay.
third one is communicational round, and fourth and fifth will be your technical and HR interview.
Okay. Super.
Yeah,
So,
and in first round we were having aptitude test. In that, quants, verbal, and English comprehension were tested. And after getting selected in that, we got like we had technical coding questions. In that, pseudocodes were asked,
okay.
and mainly it was focused on OS, computer networks, DBMS, uh, and computer science related things.
Okay.
And mainly after with this, there was a behavioral test.
Mhm.
It is a psychometric test
Okay.
where we will be having 80 questions.
Mhm.
It will be, yeah, 80 questions in few minutes. We have to answer those.
Mhm.
It will be a repeated question. We have to answer in a similar way, which we had mentioned in the first few questions.
Okay. Mhm.
Yeah. Then after getting selected in that, next we'll be having communication round.
Okay.
Every round is a eliminating round. Even
Eliminating.
a communication round is a
Mhm.
eliminating round. Yeah. In this, our listening skill and speaking skill will be observed.
Mhm.
Yeah, after that, we had our technical interview and HR interview in the
Okay.
camp. I mean, in the company itself.
Okay.
So we had to go there, attend our technical interview and HR interview.
Mhm.
In technical interview, they mainly focused on whatever we had mentioned in our resume.
Mhm.
Like if we had mentioned language Java, they were
Mhm.
asking related to it, and whatever projects we had mentioned in our resume, on the same thing they were asked the questions.
Okay.
Not too depth, it
Mhm.
was a bit easy
Basic. Initial.
because we were freshers. Yeah,
Correct.
because we were freshers, they asked very basic questions. Then in HR interview, they just we had a normal conversation.
Okay. So
Yeah,
this is the overview of Tech Mahindra's hiring procedure. So first will be
yeah,
the assessment.
yeah.
So second will be also assessment. Huh?
Yeah, it is a technical assessment where
Technical
we
assessment.
will have pseudocodes. Yeah,
Okay. So first will be the assessment. Later will be the pseudo assessment. Third will be communication. Fourth will be TR. Fifth will be HR.
yeah.
Okay, so now let's try to enlighten on individual round customer. So we got a total overview of hiring procedure. So let's focus on
Yeah.
one by one now. Okay, you mentioned
Okay.
first will be the assessment. So how were the questions? Is it MCQ or like basic mathematical questions? Like how was it?
In aptitude round, there were quants
One.
and verbal English comprehension. In
Okay.
quants, it was this, basic mathematics questions where we know what time, date, etc. And in verbal, again, the English communication thing was
Yeah.
asked.
Mhm.
It was very basic. You can
Okay.
crack it easily.
Okay.
And after these two are selected, we will have one more thing where
Mhm.
we have to observe the picture and we have to create a story.
Okay. Mhm.
Yeah, this overall it will be of 1.5 hour.
Okay. So camera will be on.
Yeah, camera will be on.
So do you remember the platform on which platform they took the exam? If you remember.
No, I don't. No,
Okay.
it was their own platform.
Okay. No problem. So Tech Mahindra's own platform.
Yeah.
Okay, so coming to the section part, Kusuma, like how was it? Once you're done with section one, then only you can go to the section two, or else you can come back to the section one later. How was it? Is it a one way?
Quants and
Mhm.
no. Quants and verbal was we were able to shuffle. There
Okay,
was
you
no
can.
yeah. And after getting selected in quants and verbal only, we were allowed to attend the picture one.
Okay. If you are selecting in the first and second round, then it will be going to the picture section.
Yeah, yeah.
Alright. If you get
After yeah,
yeah, sorry to interrupt you. If you get failed in that part, then you won't go to the section 3.
no, no, we will be
Okay.
not be able to.
So you'll get some notifications that you have selected, you are rejected.
Yeah, immediately we'll be getting a notification that we have cracked that.
Super.
Yeah.
So that's it. So no coding, nothing in the first round.
No, no coding in first round.
So how much time it took to get the first round result?
Immediately we got after getting
Okay.
selected.
So when was the second round scheduled?
Our exam was in our college, so morning we had aptitude test.
Hmm.
Afternoon we had a technical round.
Okay. So how was second round? You mentioned pseudo
Uh,
technical round. Yeah.
yeah. Firstly, we had 80 questions of behavioral questions, as I mentioned before.
Okay.
Yeah. After that, we had pseudo questions. I mean, pseudo codes, and also the question related to DBMS,
Okay.
computer networks, as I mentioned.
Okay.
Yeah. When we got selected, then after 2-3 days, we got communicational round link.
Okay. So will they give the option to choose the language like Python, Java, something like that for the second?
Yeah. We
So
will have an option to choose a language.
language. And in
Yeah.
the second round, if you mention, correct me if I'm wrong, DBMS, computer networks, and pseudo code, like code will be given, expect the output of the code, such kind of questions.
Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Yes.
Okay, so any DBMS related questions were given, query will be given, what is the write the output for this
Yeah.
thing.
Yeah. The question was given. Same thing. MCQs were given. So we
Okay,
have to choose the correct option.
okay. So you didn't type any code in the second round, Kusuma?
Uh, yeah, we had to code. One was a easy question and one was a little medium question.
Okay, don't mention the question. Just mention is it string related questions or collection related questions? Like how was it?
DSA. One was related to DSA. One was related to string.
Okay, in DSA, what was used? Is it dictionaries or what kind of part it was? Collections, list
Yeah,
or
collections.
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 Okay. So only two questions in the second round.
Yeah.
Individual with basic knowledge, moderate level of hands-on can easily solve those kind of questions.
Yes.
Okay. So this is about second round. So once you clear the round, you mentioned within 48 hours you got communication round update. So
Yes, we got update.
how was your communication round went, Kusuma?
It was really easy because we had, good communication skill.
Okay.
So it was all related to our listening skill and speaking skill.
Okay.
It was really easy to crack.
Okay. So how was it? Like video, audio will be listened to you, and you need to repeat the same thing. Like how was it basically?
Yeah, there were many sections in that also.
Mhm.
First one was we have to read the words given.
Mhm. Okay. So the words will begin, and you need to read that
Yeah,
word. So your communications will
yeah,
be tested over there.
yeah. And then and the second thing was they will be giving telling one sentence. We have to repeat that.
Okay. Mhm. So that's it.
And the third,
Good. Good.
yeah, that's it.
Okay. So this is about communication round. So you need to read the sentence and you need to repeat what they mention. So
Yes.
these two will be there. So how much time it took to get communication round result, Kusuma?
Communication round. It was around again 3 to 4 days. It was 3 to 4 days to get the result.
So next was technical round. So how was it?
Yeah. Technical round. We have to go. We had to go to camp. Company
Mhm.
and give.
Okay.
Uh, it was not so tough to crack
Okay.
because I had prepared before also uh, practice. I did a practice, so it was little easy for me to crack it. They asked just basic questions, all related to my project, which I had done in my college.
Okay. So
So it was
uh,
easy.
offline interview was in the Bangalore, or it was out of other
No,
locations?
no, no. It was in Bangalore,
Area?
Electronic City.
Acha, Electron City. So you need to go to the office and you need to give a offline interview.
Yeah.
So how was it? Like what kind of questions they asked? Like how did it went?
As I mentioned, firstly they will ask us to introduce. Then
Okay,
whatever we had written in our resume, yeah,
same thing.
resume we have to justify what we have done. I mean, what we have written in resume.
Okay.
Explain about our project, internship,
Mhm.
and which language we had mentioned. If
They will.
example, yeah, if I have mentioned Java, they will ask related to Java. They
Okay.
will ask whether if you have done your project related to this language or other language.
Okay. So I
Yeah,
think they more focus was on the project, what you did in your college days.
yeah, they were more focused on our project.
Okay. So did they ask?
Because we are freshers, they were not expecting much from us.
Absolutely.
They were asking just the basic questions.
Agree. Totally agree. So like what I was asking is like, did they ask to write the code in front of them? Any such kind of situation happened?
Yeah, like there were many cabins, okay, which I went. They asked about the project and theoretical questions.
Okay.
But one of my friend were asked the code to be written. I mean to write.
Okay. Mhm.
So
So
it's
it
all depend on the
depend on you.
interviewer.
Correct.
Yeah,
So it's better to well prepared and go, guys. The questions may go
yeah,
theoretically, or else they may ask you to write the code in front of them. So just prepare for
yes,
everything.
yeah,
So that is one thing. And each round are elimination round. So that is the main point.
yeah,
Each round is elimination round. So that is one thing I wanted to mention. So that's it. Technical. That's it.
yes.
So they didn't ask situation based question. Like one scenario will be given, so they will be checking how you're gonna act in that situation. Any such kind of questions?
Yes, yes. The questions which were asked related to our programming language or the language we mentioned was situational. I mean, situation question.
I mean, like if you are a team lead, if an individual doesn't obey your
Yeah,
uh,
that those questions were asked in HR interview.
HR next. Okay.
Yeah.
So how much time it took to go get the result?
We got just after 1 hour, 2 hours because we went to the campus, right?
Okay.
So they announced it immediately.
So I just wanted to ask this question. You mentioned like after each round, if
Mhm.
an individual unfortunately got selected, he or she, so will they receive
Mm.
rejection mail also, Kusuma?
Yeah, they will receive the mail.
Mhm.
But related to the interview, we didn't get the mail. But the first three process, we got the mails.
I mean, like if you got selected, you will receive a selection mail, and if you get
Yeah.
rejected, you will receive rejection mail.
Yes.
Okay. So after completion of your TR, on the spot they called your name, like you are selected for next HR.
Yeah. There will be a few people to call our name. We have to go inside and
Okay. And
get
again,
interview.
the final round. HR happened on the
Yeah.
same day.
Yeah. On the same day, HR happened. Morning was a technical round, and afternoon was our HR round.
So how was it? How was it your final round? HR.
Because we cracked almost all the rounds, it was really easy coming to HR round.
Okay.
Just we have to express what are we, and it was a normal conversation between the interviewer and us, so it was not so hard to
Okay.
crack.
So how was your HR round went, Kusum? Yep.
Um, like firstly, they asked the introduction.
Mm-hmm.
Then they were asked, why do you want to join Techmahindra, or what inspired you to select CSC?
Okay.
Those questions were asked. And what if you are a team lead and one of the team member is not obeying your thing? What you will do?
Okay.
Those type of questions were asked.
Okay. I'm just curious, like how did you answer to those questions, Kusuma?
Like, see, if one is not responding correctly, we have to ask them first, like what is the reason they are not responding.
Mm-hmm.
Then we have to react accordingly. That was my answer.
Okay. So why you want to join our Tech Mahindra? So what was your response?
That respond, I don't remember.
Okay, no problem, no problem. So you can just prepare according to that, guys. That's one thing. And one
Yeah,
suggestion is before going to HR, just have a total understanding about company. So they may ask.
company. Yeah.
So they may ask what you know about the company. So just do your homework and just go and speak out. And one thing,
Yes.
just have an observation on what are the recent projects they have done related to international or within the domestic projects, and who are their client. So just have a total understanding on these parameters, and it will be easy. And coming back to Kusuma, that's it. Huh? So no location regarding discussion, nothing.
No, no, no.
Okay. So did they ask anything about the family background? Anything?
Yeah, they asked about the family background.
So so this is just a casual talk, if I'm not wrong. HR,
Yeah.
and HR is also elimination round. Huh?
Yes, it is an elimination round.
Okay. So when did you receive the complete selection mail, Kusuma,
It
mentioning?
was it was about 20 to 30 days because it was a campus hiring.
Okay.
It took little bit of time to declare our results.
Okay. So starting from receiving a mail from company for the drive and getting a selection mail, what was the total time taken?
Um, I exactly don't remember, but it's around 1 to 1.5 months.
Okay. Max 2 months, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah, yeah,
Chalo, so we're done with the hiring procedure. We have covered everything what was necessary to the audience. So we'll just focus on the internship part and stipend, working mode, everything. So is there any update on the internship, Kusuma, currently?
like the update which we have got is after getting our offer letter, we
Mhm.
have to go to the campus and we have 6 months of training.
6 months. Okay, it's offline or online?
Yeah, it's an offline training.
Okay, you need to go to the campus.
Yeah.
I guess Spock from the company and will come to the campus and they will teach. Huh? How is it?
No, 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 we have to go to company.
So you have to go to the company.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, is it 5 days a week? Huh?
Yes.
5 days a week. Okay. So internship is 6 months, as you mentioned. It will be offline. Location will be the office. And what is the stipend range? You mentioned the range for the stipend.
Yeah, it's range between 3 to 5 LPA.
Okay. So once you are done with 6 months of internship, will there any assessment?
Yeah, like before there there will be a one stipend.
Okay.
After the training, there will be a one more assessment. If you crack that, there will be a increase in our CTC, that is from 5 to 7 LP, around 5 to 7 LP.
Okay. So the role, what was the role name you got hired, Kusuma? What was the designation? Yep.
Graduate engineer training.
Okay. So is it only the role or is it they are hiring for other role also? Like how is it?
No, which we got was graduate engineer training. If we crack the second after the training, it will be named for super coder.
Okay. So what is the salary range for these two profile?
As I mentioned before, for the graduate engineer trainee, it is from 3 to 5 LPA, around 3 to 5 LPA. And for super coder, it is from around 5 to 7 LPA. Yeah.
Okay. So let us assume that after 6 months of time, you didn't perform well in that assessment. You didn't got the expected threshold. Let us assume that there is
Yeah.
at 80% of threshold, but you got 50, 60 range. Will they terminate the individual, Kusuma?
Not terminate, but the fixed role will be given, like graduate engineer trainee will be given.
So no termination will happen.
No, no.
Alright. So if individual,
According to the information we got, no termination will be there.
okay. So if individual didn't crack the second round, then defaultly he will be hired for a
In
first round,
the
first
yeah,
profile.
yeah.
So I guess we covered pretty much everything. Are we missing anything, Kusuma? Want to mention anything?
Yeah, like tips for those.
Yeah, give tips for our audience.
Yeah, like for aptitude questions, we can see YouTube. Yeah, I saw YouTube and did some problems, and it was bit easier for me to crack.
Okay.
And for interview, I went through a glass door. It is
Okay.
an application.
That's okay.
In that, whichever recently questions were asked in interview, they were
Okay.
mentioning in that application, so it was easy.
Okay. So last question. Let assume that currently I stay in Bangalore and I
Yeah.
got joining location Hyderabad. So will company provide accommodation facility for the individuals, Kusuma?
I don't have knowledge about that.
Or it's not. So I guess we covered pretty much everything, and we are not missing anything, right?
No.
Chalo guys, in coming days, if I get any update, we'll do part two of this session. So as of now, we covered pretty much everything. And Kusuma, really appreciate you for taking time and joining us. Sharing your preparation tips and hiring procedure about Tech Mahindra. Thanks a lot, buddy, for taking time and joining us.
Thank you, Akshay. Thank you for this opportunity.
And yeah, guys, I'll be attaching Kusuma's LinkedIn profile in the description. If you have any queries, please feel free to connect her on the LinkedIn. So if you're not yet joined our community, join. If you're not yet subscribe our channel, do hit the bell icon. And yeah, guys, this is about the stocks. In the next video, take care.